Hi everyone, my name is Tom Cunningham and I'm the CEO and founder of CMAsnap, and I want to show you how to authorize an MLS so that you can check us out. So what you're going to do is you're going to go in with your email address and a password, and then when you log in you're going to be welcomed by some terms of service which basically say that you're not going to try to re-engineer our software and go into the CMA business. When you click on understood, then you're going to get to a screen that says authorize MLS. So you're going to click on Authorize MLS, and then you'll see a drop down of the MLSs that CMAsnap is currently active in. So I'm going to authorize one for Houston. So I'm going to enter my license number, and then I'm going to click Submit, and then I'm going to get a text message from CMAsnap. We're going to send you a text message with an authorization code, and when you get it, you're going to type it in 935650. 935650, and then you click on submit, and then you are active. You'll see a little green active button right here, and then you're ready to run your first CMA. So you can either click report here, or if you wind up going to the dashboard, you'll see a page that looks like this, and then you can run your first report. So just gonna click on new report, and then you're gonna put in an address. We're gonna look at something in Katy today. And I'm going to click on that. We get the MLS listing. Make sure everything is correct in the property form, and then when you click submit, our aim is to deliver a first draft in under 5 seconds, and then you can take a look at it and tweak it and put your spin on it. So that's how you get started with an MLS authorization in CMAsnap. Thank you very much for checking us out, and if you have any questions, please let us know.